Hi everyone, Letty here. Today I'm going to share with you a not too shabby shop. This was my Black Friday haul. We're going to do a mystery ephemera unboxing and some project shares. So welcome everyone. This was my Black Friday haul from Not Too Shabby. Here's their logo. I'll list a website link and a discount code down the description box below. Jamie had a Black Friday sale that was 25% off, which was the lowest it usually goes. Here's the freebie that she sends with the order. And then I did spend over $60, so I got this stamp set and this die set as well. This was a scrapbooking for less set that I think she had acquired, and so that was the freebie. So this is again my Black Friday purchase, which they had some mystery ephemera packs. I picked up one. It looks like it has all of the main like holiday ephemera collections that she had released this year. I'll do a full unboxing of that in just a bit. So I picked up some new Doodlebug doilies to add to my collection. So I've got mint, and then I also got Beetle Black. So I just added a couple more of those. I did do some backfill on my Doodlebug paper. So this one's Candy Cane Lane. These are 6x6 paper pads. So Jamie, if you're not familiar with the shop, she does carry Doodlebug. And so I've already gone through an entire 6x6 paper pad of this collection. And so I wanted to just backfill it because it is so, so cute. And I will have some projects coming up using this paper pad as well in some future videos. I also did the Monster Madness during Halloween. Believe it or not, I think I went through an entire 6x6 of this one collection, and I think I even started to get into the second paper pad. So I went ahead and just picked it up. Even though it's already past Halloween, I figured I would already have it in my stash for whenever I wanted to start my Halloween crafting. Again, Monster Madness is that one. So, and then I picked up this Trinity Stamps. It's a Boo Crew embellishment mix, and I thought it looked perfect for this Monster Madness set. Look how cute. It just like really works, I think. So I also picked up this parachute stamp set by Trinity Stamps. I thought it was cute with the little cat. I thought it would just make some really cute cards. They have some cute sentiments, kind of diverse sentiments. And then I picked up some splurge dies. So I did the Stitch Scallop from Sunny Studio. So it basically comes with two different stitch scallops, and you've got inner and outer. So you kind of got four different stitches there. And then I picked up some ovals. So I've got the Scalloped Oval Mat 1. Here it is. And it has like that stitched in the oval, but then it has a scalloped. And then I picked up the Stitched Ovals 2, which is this one. And I felt that some of those might inlay pretty good inside of the scalloped one. So I figured that might work. Then this is a Slimline Tall Heart Trio. This is by Trinity Stamps. I saw Jamie doing a tutorial recently on the Not Too Shabby Shop website or YouTube channel. And so I wanted to get that. And then this one's Mini Slimline Star Trio. This one is cute. Also by Trinity Stamps. So again, because of her discount, I splurged on some more kind of costly dies. These are a little bit on the costly side, but I thought it was just perfect to use for that discount. This one's Pink and Main. This is Polka Hearts cover die. I thought this would be fun for Valentine's Day. I am going to use that in today's project. So this was my Black Friday haul from Not Too Shabby. Let's do an unboxing of this mystery ephemera pack. I love a good mystery pack. I really, really love, grab bags and things like that. So here's all the little ephemera pieces that came in mine. Now, of course, everyone's probably slightly different. I did get a couple of duplicates on a couple of items, but I'm okay with that because it just means I can, make multiples of the same kind of card. And so I did see that it pretty much was all of the main holiday collections that had come out this season or this year, which I am perfectly okay with because I picked up most of them. There were a few that I did not have, surprisingly enough. And so I'm super excited to be able to play with them and kind of use them, even though I didn't have them already in my stash. So here's this last little round. Real cute. And then I think I have one more round, and there's some tiny, tiny, tiny little coffee cups. That's from the most recent holiday releases that she did. So that was the mystery ephemera pack from Not Too Shabby. It was just like a little Black Friday kind of special. Again, I'll list our website link and a discount code down below in case you want to try to pick up any of those items that are still available. Let's talk about the project shares, and so I can show you what I made. So I'm using this doilies, I'm using the mystery ephemera, this polka hearts, the star die, and then the heart, the scallop edges and the heart die as well. I used all of these items right here in today's projects. And then I also brought in the Stampin' Die set of the month for this month, which is called Sweethearts. I've already done a couple of videos on that, but I wanted to use it some more. Enamel dots. This was a freebie that I got from a previous order. I'm using the Pumpkin Marshmallow Slimline pad. This is a Not Too Shabby exclusive. I believe it's still in stock. And then Farmer's Market by Doodlebug. And it's not a Not Too Shabby product, but I did purchase it at Not Too Shabby. So I went ahead and included it in the mix as well. So just a ton of Not Too Shabby goodness here. I recently released a tutorial making these two cards. It's a mini slimline and a slimline card. And so if you want to see how I put these two cards together, I'm going to link that video at the very end so you can check it out. Then here's a new card. So I brought in that Stampin' Die, the doily, the heart that came from that other die set, some enamel dots, and then that polka hearts die. And I did do some ink blending for the background. And then the final two cards I have are these two that used up some of that kind of like New Year's Eve ephemera that look kind of like New Year's Eve. I really like that little star die. It's really, really neat. I think it'll be great to make some 4th of July cards or kids cards. I think it's just really, really cute. And here's more of like a New Year's Eve theme card that I can just add a sentiment on the inside or the cover. So, and again, I'll link this video where I made these two cards at the very end of this video as well. So again, I'll list their website link and a discount code down the description box below. Hop on over if you've never checked it out. And again, this was my Black Friday haul. Thanks for visiting, everyone. Hope you subscribe, like this video, follow me on Instagram. Here are a couple videos I think you might enjoy, and happy crafting.